Good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Combination. Combination. What is the definition of combination? Combination is nothing but selections. Combination is nothing but selections. So, what is the yesterday last one? NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. The formula derivation. So, today we are going to the exercise, last exercise 7.4. Exercise 7.4, first problem. Okay. If NC8 is equal to, if NC8 is equal to NC2, find NC2. NC8 is equal to NC2, find NC2. So, once formula is there, what is the formula? If NCR is equal to NCS, if then N is equal to R plus S or NR is equal to S. This is the formula. So, NCR, this is NCR. For example, we compare to the formula. NCR is equal to NCS. So, R is equal to S, not R is equal to 8 is equal to is not correct, not equal to. So, R is equal to S condition, it does not satisfy. Don't apply R is equal because 8 is not equal to 2. So, apply this formula. So, solution given NC8 is equal to NC2, that implies N is equal to R plus S, R is equal to 8 plus 2 equal to 10. Therefore, NC2 is equal to N is equal to 10 C2. So, that is equal to 10 factorial by 10 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 10 factorial is equal to 10 into 9 into 8 factorial by 10 minus 2 is equal to 8 factorial. 2 factorial is equal to 2 into 1. 8 factorial cancel. 2 1s, so 2 5. So 9 into 5 is equal to 45. Is the formula. Okay. Second problem. Determine N. Determine N if 2NC3 is to NC3. 2NC3 is to NC3 is equal to 12 is to 1. 12 is to 1. So, determine means find the value of N. How to find the value of N? Solution. First of all, given 2NC3 is to NC3 is equal to 12 is to 1. So, 2NC3 by ratio A is to B is equal to A by B. So, NC3 is equal to 12 by 1. No, equal to 12 by 1. So, 2NC3 formula. Here NC3. So, here N is equal to 2N. N factorial by and 2N factorial by 2N minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial by NC3 N factorial by N minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial is equal to 12 by 1. 3 factorial cancel. Okay. So, 2n factorial is equal to 2n into 2n factorial. N factorial is equal to what? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into something. 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3 factorial by 2n factorial is equal to 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3 factorial by n factorial equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial by 2n minus 3 factorial, 2n minus 3 common. Okay, 2n minus 3. That any doubt means for first. So not direct step, direct. So 2n factorial by, so 2n factorial by 2n minus 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial by n factorial is equal to 12. Reversal n minus 3 factorial by. So first 2n factorial is equal to 2 into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3 factorial by 2n minus 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial, same as it is, by n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial is equal to 12. 2n minus 3 factorial, 2n minus 3 factorial, n minus 3 factorial, n minus 3 factorial, both are cancelled. So 2n into n minus 1, n minus 2 by n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 is equal to 12. Okay, next 2 ones 2 6. Okay, n cancel. So 2n minus 1 into, here 2 common, 2 into n minus 1. In the 2n minus 2 common with 2 by n minus 1 into n minus 2 is equal to 6. 2 ones 2 3s. n minus 1, n minus 1 common. Finally 2n minus 1 by n minus 2 is equal to 3. 2n minus 1 into equal to 3 into n minus 2. 2n minus 1 is equal to 3n minus 6. 2n minus 1 equal to 3n minus 6. So this one 3n minus 2n is equal to minus 1 plus 6. 3n minus 2n is equal to n. Minus 1 plus 6 is equal to 5. This is the, okay, second bit also, second problem, this is the first bit, second bit same type, 2nc3 is to nc3 is equal to 11 is to 1. Same as it is, left hand side same but right hand side different. So this is the homework. This is the homework. Okay, clear? Next one. Third problem. How many cards can be drawn through 21 points on the circle? How many cards? How many cards? Cards means chapa. Okay, cards can be drawn through, can be drawn 21 points. 21 points on a circle. 21 points on a circle. For example, circle. Chord means what? The chord is passing through joining to or passing through the any 2 points on the circle. Any 2 points on the circle. So one chord is nothing but 2 points. First 21 points. On the circle, how many points are there on the circle? On the circle, 21 points are there. 21 points. On the circle, 21 points are there. So now first we have to draw one chord select from. Okay. First one chord means 2 points. We want 2 points. 2 points select from 21 points. 21 points. This is 21 points are given. First one chord is nothing but 2 points. So 2 points means first of all we have to select 2 points from 21 points. How many? 21C2. 21C2 means 21 select 2 points from 21 points. Okay, so each chord, main point is each chord have 2 points. Each chord have 2 points. Okay, so 21 points. So one chord is equal to how many points? 2 points. So first of all select from 21 points to 2 points. Select 2 points from 21 points. Okay. So a chord from solution. A chord from A to B is same as a chord from A to B. This is A. A chord from A to B is same as B to A. Same as B to A. Order does not matter. Order does not matter. Order is not important. AB chord, BA chord, any chord. So order does not matter. Hence combination has to be found out 2 points has to be selected. 2 points has to be selected from 21 points. From 21 points. So chord is nothing but passing through the 2 points on any points on the circle. So one chord nothing but 2 points. So 2 points are selected from 21 points. So 21C2. Therefore number of lines is equal to 21C2. 21C2 is equal to 21 into 20 by 2. So 210. Okay, clear. Chords also. Chords, draw the chords on the circle, or posting the letters, newer greetings. So for example 30 students are there. In 30 students, each students this is give the newer greeting. So one greeting is nothing but 2 members. Okay, student to student, member to member, 2 members. Total how many students? 30 students. 30 students. One greeting is nothing but which between 2 persons. Okay, between 2 persons. So 2, 30 C2, greetings. Okay, greetings, cards, diameters. Diameters also, diameters, cards, greetings, postcards, wedding cards, sorry, any type of cards. This is totally depending on select. First we have to select 2 points, 1 card, nothing but. Okay. Next, fourth one. In how many ways in how many ways can a team of in how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls, 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls. So, in how many ways can be team of 3 boys and 3 girls? Team, 6 members team. In the 6 members must be 3 boys and 3 girls. 3 boys and 3 girls. 6 team, half girls, half boys. 3 boys, 3 girls. Okay. So, how many ways of you call selection? Team selections. Team means selection. Selection means combinations. So boys, 3 boys. Sir, how many boys are nothing but nothing. So boys are selected from boys. Okay, boys are selected from girls is not correct. Boys are selected from boys. Girls are selected from girls. So 3 boys are selected from how many boys? 5 boys. 3 boys are selected from the 5 boys. 5C3. Next. 3 girls are selected from 4 girls. 3 girls are selected from 4 girls. 4C3. By the fundamental counting of fundamental principle. By the fundamental principle of counting. By the fundamental principle of counting what? M into N into. Okay. So first the number of ways of selecting 3 boys from 5 boys from boy is 5C3. 5C3 value 5 factorial by 5C3 is equal to 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial 20 10 no. 5 into 4 20 by 2 equal 10 no. Next, the number of ways of selecting 3 girls from 4 girls is 4C3. 4C3 is equal to 4 factorial by 4 minus 3 factorial 3 factor, so 4. By the fundamental principle of principle of counting. total number of selections. Total number of selections are 5C3 into 4C3. So 10 into 4 is equal to 40 ways. Simple problem. Next is fifth problem. Find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls from red ball. Selecting 9 balls. So totally find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls. Selecting 9 balls. N is equal to 9. Total number of selecting how many balls? 9 balls. Totally you have to select 9 balls. Okay, which type of balls? 9 balls. Okay, 9 balls. So 9 balls, so totally 6 red balls. Given data, 6 red balls, 5 white balls, 5 white balls, and 5 blue balls. 5 blue balls. 6 red balls, 5 white balls, 5 blue balls. So if each selection consists of 3 balls of each color, 3 balls of each color, how many colors are there? 3 colors are there. In 3 color, each color totally how many balls are? We have to select how many balls we have to select? 9 balls are we have to select. In 9 balls, each color consists of 3. Each color consists of 3 balls. Each color 3 means 3 red balls, 3 white balls, 3 blue balls. Red balls are selected from red balls. White balls are selected from white balls. And blue balls are selected from blue balls. So the number of ways of selecting 3 red balls from 6 red balls. 3 red balls from 6 red balls is 6C3. 6C3 is equal to 6 factorial by 6 into 5 into 4 by 6. So that is equal to 20. Same. The number of ways of selecting 3 same color consists of 3 which color? White. 3 white balls from how many white balls are there? 5 white balls. 5 white balls is 5C3. 5C3 equal to 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial. 20 by 2 is equal to 10. Next color. The number of ways of selecting 3 blue balls from 5 blue balls is 5C3 is also 10. So total number of selections are, by the fundamental principle of counting, 20 into 10 into 10. So that is equal to 2000 ways. 20 into 10, 200. 200 into 10, 2000 ways of selecting 9 balls. Each color consists of 3. This is the one. Okay. So okay, how many cards can be? Third problem, card is nothing but to have the 2 points, so 21 points, 2. So in how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls? 3 boys and 3 girls by selecting from 5 boys and 4 girls. The boys are selected from boys, girls are selected from girls. So the number of ways of selecting, how many boys we want? 3 balls from 5 boys, so 5C3. The number of ways of selecting 3 girls from 4 girls is 4C3. By the fundamental principle of counting, into m into n into lo. So into total one into. Okay, this is the up to 5 problems. So simple problems. So next one, continue the next class. Okay, clear.